In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between a MIDI keyboard and a piano. This is the Matt Lane Producer Hub. I am a music producer of over 10 years and been playing piano for over 20. Really like 25 at this point, but who's counting? All right, so a MIDI keyboard is, this is an example of a MIDI keyboard. I'll show you exactly what type of thing it does. And I'm going to use a program called FL Studio. And a piano is more like a standalone instrument that produces its own sound. So this is a piano. This is a piano. They're typically 61 keys, 88 keys. I think MIDI keyboards, I think they're typically, I think 49 is a better range for a standalone, for a MIDI. MIDI keyboards will often have to fit on like a desk or something like that. So this, you'll see like my example. And I always say, like every time I talk about a MIDI, I'm like, you got to keep in mind the size of your desk, because like otherwise it'll be a weird fit. So I feel like I am a piano player, a serious piano player, and I rock the 49 key MIDI. It works. It works. And let me show you the exact MIDI that I use. The Arturia Keylab. And link in the description to get this keyboard. Check it out. This is the one that I highly recommend the most. It's literally the one I use after 10 years of music production. I've tried several different MIDIs. This is the best one that I've used, and I love it still to this day. It's awesome. Basically, like, yeah. Let me just show you what the MIDI does. Again, just to review, piano, if you're trying to make actual music, like music production music in like say an FL Studio, another program like a Logic, or I'm trying to think of another one I can't off the top of my head. I'm old, okay? All right. So in FL, they're very easy to install too, so you won't have issues installing it. This is what a MIDI does. So a lot of MIDIs, especially this one, comes with a software package as well. So, and this is known as analog. And analog sounds are typically good because they mesh directly with the MIDI. And they're very unique to the MIDI. So this is often a VST that other people won't have. So you'll get a very unique sound. Although it is a third-party plugin, so you might have to deal with something like that. So like it emulates sounds, kind of like an electric piano would do, like a real electric piano would do. I mean, this is a real piano. Like, you can put on a weight, like you can have it get pick up the exact weight. I take that setting off. It's very easy to fix that setting. I take that setting off because like in music production, you can always adjust the velocities. Like in FL Studio, like if I play something, I can manually adjust the velocity. So if you use the weighted keys, I just find that like sometimes you don't hit the keys right. It'll sound realistic, which is good, but it can be kind of annoying to just always have to like fix that to make the whole beat sound right. It depends how you like to make beats. Sometimes I just take it off and make a beat, and it just depends which float in your boat. But again, check the link in the description for this MIDI. I always say, if you can afford it, I definitely would say go for it. This is a non-travel MIDI, so this is like the type of MIDI that would stay at your house and your studio. So again, check that in the description, and thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Hope I was able to explain it well. A standalone piano, again, is something that like literally you don't need a computer for. You can just play it, and you know, it can sit in the corner of your room. You just plug it up, play it. This goes into a computer and is used for like music production.